Bluetooth. Okay. Everyone can hear me? I've started. Oh, let's get 1, 2. Oh, let's. Just something wrong. I don't know. Yeah, I cannot stream today. Stupid. Oh, okay. Let's get this show now. Hey guys, you can hear me? Today 10 o'clock, and today big recap for November. You know, during November, came out said everyone that's online, any info or something. Okay, disclaimer. Okay, so this is advice for guys. Share advice. Okay, you need to go through sound. Um, let me check. Sound is speaking. I don't know why. Let me. Okay. No, please.
Okay, maybe I'm using the laptop sound. Okay, let's say I'm using a laptop sound. Is it better? The sound of laptops. Okay, let me know if the sound is good. Um, transition. Sounds breaking still. Weird. What's wrong with my OBS today? Quick, my trading bill. Get lost. Options. Remove from dock. Discord. What's wrong with my Discord today? Better? Check 1 2, check 1 2, guys. If you can hear me, if my star rating is good, just type yes. Let me know. Better, 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 better. Okay, maybe the spec is not working well. Okay, never mind, not on spec. Okay, good. So again, repeat that. I'm gonna start here in 1 minute's time. Before that, I'm gonna. Okay, we are right now in December. You know, during December, right? Malaysia Security Commission came up with a new rules saying that um, any influencer or finfluencer or whatever guru or whatever anything, if you want to talk about price or about financial products, I need to have I need to be careful. Yeah. Okay, I need to have something like what we call this is not a financial advice, guys. Okay, whatever I say you don't follow, please you don't follow. Okay, you don't follow. Okay, but I still want to say, okay, just you don't follow. So please don't catch me. Okay, I still love Malaysia. I want to be in Malaysia. I don't want to fly to Dubai or whatever, something like that. Okay, I still love Malaysia. Okay, clear. So right now we have the 40 people here. Okay, today my Discord is having something wrong with it. I don't know why I couldn't. I didn't. I couldn't get into Discord today. I don't know. It turns into a white screen. Okay, so sorry for Discord students. Okay, so every one of you are here. Let's get started. Wow, look at the price, man. Especially last 1 hour. Bitcoin shoots down to 81,000, 80,000. I'm telling you that really excited. It's really excited. So why am I saying it's really excited? Since what? Since we said that 100, we since 107,000 or what is it? Remember what we said before? Okay, start from 112,000, 113,000. If it goes down, then it becomes downtrend. Okay, then after that, some of you still cannot sell your Bitcoin yet. I say that anything below 103, you sell everything. So 103, you get to sell everything. Congratulations. How many of you still holding your coins, man? And my line is not clear again. Maybe my line is not clear. Maybe I changed my internet. Give me a minute. I changed my internet.
Okay, testing one, two, testing one, two, guys. Testing one, two. Because I'm having a delay here, maybe 5 second delay compared to the live stream. That's why, yeah, that's why I don't know respond. Again, one more time. Testing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, everyone, the sound is clear? Sound checks. Is the sound good enough right now? Mhm. That stop streaming. Guys, sound check again. I don't know whether it's still working or not. Is it good right now? My OBS crashed, man. Sounds good. Okay, finally clear. Okay, well, it takes me 2 minutes to do it. Okay, guys. So, hey, where's my Bitcoin just now? Gone already. Okay, whatever. Yep, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so based everyone that follow my life, right? Based on last 2 weeks or last 3 weeks, what happened? Remember or not? Okay, we say that, right? Okay, this is what we predict. Anything go below 103,000 and 100 below 113,000. Actually, it's 112, 113, 112. You can watch back the previous live, okay? Anything below that price, if it goes sideways, then bye bye. Okay. And funny that it go exactly what happened. It's like this is what we draw like maybe I remember it's like 1 month ago, almost a month ago. We are saying like this, then maybe a bit of pump up, then come down, then straight come down. So congratulations, we got the very good predictions. Okay, so remember the financial advice here is about you don't buy, please you don't buy. Okay, I'm here to just share us about my knowledge, what I'm taught about the market. Okay, so got it. So today, right? Yeah, the price went down. Oh, yeah, breaking again. Serious, what's wrong with my line today? Is it Tiffany? Guys, is it breaking? Better now. I think maybe my line issues. Okay. Sounds okay, I know. Good. So the price went down crazily this few days. Okay, what happened? Started from here. Started from here. November 11 drops from 106,000 drops until right now 84. This just now is about 80,000. Wow, that is really painful for other people, not for you. Okay, congratulations for everyone that you stick with my life. I told everyone that 113,000 you need to sell. If you cannot sell, then you need to sell below 103. Okay, this is what the problem is. Okay, lots of people always don't believe that bear market is here. Okay, basically I don't believe too. I'm hoping that bull market is going to extend to next year. I'm going to make more profit. I don't like to like the price go down. I don't like who like the price goes down, right? When more people, then the price keep on going up, more and more people is going to come in. Yeah, that is more interesting. But somehow we need to um I'm not too directional based, which means that I'm not like too single direction based. Okay, even though when you're trading, right? When you're investing in crypto, right? You need to have your one correct mindset. It's about you can't be too single direction based. You can't be keep on telling yourself that this is a bull market, this is a bull market. You need to be very flexible. You need to be very flexible. Okay, that's why, right? A lot of times, right, we're having some brains issue. I would say brains issue. Why is it a brain issues? Because a lot of people, right, they always like to believe on their what they want to believe. Like for example, if they go for a long trade, right, they need to tell they really convince themselves that to their brains, it's about, hey, this is going to be bull market. When it comes down, you're going to buy more. When it comes down, you're going to buy more. You keep on DCA when the price is already show you that this is the downtrend. That's why when it comes to into technical analysis, right, you need to be clear that what the technical analysis shows you, then you need to stay out from it. Understand that? Okay, we need to be very rational thinking. I would say that very logical thinking, which means that what it shows you, if it shows you red in color, you need to sell, then you sell. If it show you, remember that day I said already, if it's went up back, if it's more than 3 days that's above, then you can buy. If not, you don't buy, because maybe it's a uh fake pumps up. Okay, so really it went up, next 2 days it came down straight away, then become straight again. So from here onwards, 110 onward, you must sell, because the bull wave very obvious that telling you that this is a bull market. This is the bear market, sorry. Okay, I confused myself already. Okay, I just land down here from Guangzhou, so a bit blurred right now. Okay, so yes, that's okay. That's why I'm delaying my life today. So never mind, it's okay. So it go exactly that what happened. It came down. Okay, but surprised that I thought 93,000 is going to be a one of the very good rebound point, but sorry, I make it wrong. Okay, it didn't rebound. It continued crash down to the second support. Okay, the second support should be at the same price around 76. I would say here, okay, we look at support and resistance, right? Okay, somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere about 78,000. Somewhere about 78,000. Okay, so this is the second support. Okay, which one is the last support? I'm not to say last, but which one is the better support? Yeah, 80k. Correct. Where is my 80k lines? Actually, it's 80k. Okay, Fibonacci is 80,000. That's why it touches 80,000. Correct. Good. So, so you're asking me, David, is Bitcoin going to have a good rebound or not? I would say yes, a very good rebound. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy, okay, please, I'm not asking you to buy. I'm just telling you that, guys, here showing that right now, at last, there's a strength of rebound. If there's a strength of rebound about 5%, which is I think it's good, 4 to 5 lah. So let's see tomorrow. If it's tomorrow above 85, I would say yes, this is a good rebound point for you to sell your Bitcoin when it goes up a bit, or for you to find a good short locations. For example, maybe you can aim for a short with a Fibonacci at the price of 97. Okay, 97. I would say 97 is too high already, but never mind, I just put it. Okay, 97 is a bit too high, but never mind. Okay, I would believe that 93 still, but it's okay. 97. Okay, I'm hoping that the price goes down like this. Okay, right now, then it pumps up. Okay, come down one more time, touches again, then pumps up to about 97, then go down. Okay, we don't. Okay, let's not remove this. I save this thing. We come back next month and see if it go according to this way. Okay, is that clear? So this is what I want to see. Okay, do you see, David? Are you a prophet or whatever to predict something like that? No, 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 no. I hope that I'm a prophet. I'm not a prophet, please. Okay, we need to look at Fibon. Okay, actually, right. It's very easy. Okay, based on okay, those that you learn from me from MACDs, right? You start to know that how do you justify trend? It's about looking at MACD. Okay, MACD is one way down. Everything is one way down. So basically, right, it's very dangerous right now. Okay, everything is one way down. But definitely, that is a very good rebound point, and we are looking at that rebound point is about that's about 97 because of Fibonacci. Okay, if the price, remember, if the price remain at 80,000, the lowest price remain 80,000, and tomorrow it doesn't go down anymore, and if it start having some rebound, okay, then I would say 97,000 is a very perfect price for you to go for short. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy Bitcoin, for you to go for shorts. Then you say, David, can I buy now and 97,000 there I take profit? Huh, a good questions. For me, I wouldn't do so, because always remember that you don't go against the trend. When you go against the trend, it's gonna kill you, man. Okay, remember, you don't go against the trend. Okay, in David Justin, all the students or even all the followers, right? You need to remember one quote is about trend is king. You need to you need to really believe the market, or maybe rely on the market, or maybe trust the market. When the market tells you that it goes down, then it goes down. You know, a lot of people, right? Lots of people, they always have issues that why they don't make money in investing, because they always add in their own thinking. Their own thinking is about, for example, when the price goes down, I believe that it goes up back. When the price goes up, I believe that it comes down soon. Whatever like this, we are here to believe in trend, which means that that's why you can see my trading style, my investing style, it's always on trend basis. Okay, no matter how, when it's a bull market, I will ask you go direct. I mean, you can DCA with 2 to 3 locations for you to buy it in. Okay, when it's downtrend, I'm telling you that you can DCA a few locations for you to short it. Okay, so right now I'm sharing to you is of 97,000 is a good price for you to short, but not now. Okay, but as long as there's that is the terms are the terms that as long as the price stays around 80,000, that's good for you to continue short it. But if it's break below 80,000, you don't short at 97 anymore. Okay, of course you can't short it at 97. Then we need to come back to live and talk about it. Okay, wow, 6 hours. Nah. I believe that the first rebound point right now, right, it's about 87. The first rejection should be go up to 87, or maybe it goes up to 3 hours. That it's around 91, 90. Yep. Let me see. 88 first. First resistance 88. If you want to go for a shot at the first 88, I believe that it will go somewhere, something like that. Okay. Okay, it will pumps up a bit at 90. Okay, then come down a bit. Then after that, go down, then pumps up to 97. Okay, this is what I want to see. Got it? So in order, like what in thumbnail I say very obvious, I'm saying that hey, come on, downtrend is a very good time for you to short it. You remember the last live I said to everyone, isn't it? I said to everyone, if you want to plan for short, right, start planning for short at 103,000 plus minus. Just plan it. That time, uh, I don't know. Okay, sometimes right, I did every week I'm having some live. So sometimes I'm confused about what I said before, because I mean I confused about which live I said before. But I told students is about if you want to go short, if you want to go for short, that time Bitcoin is go until like 99,000, right? I can say that you can short around 90, you can short around 99, 98, even 103. Keep on going for short, okay? But your stop loss is above 103, okay? Sorry, above 107. That time there's something like that. Okay, there is a support here. So it went above 106, then after it came back now. So this is the profit margin that we got it. We need to, how to say, have a multiple entry. You can't judge based on one entry. The same thing when it comes to here. If you want to short right now, I wouldn't recommend this is a formal short. If you want to short, the first entry price is 88,000. The first entry price is 88,000. The last one is 97,000. Okay, the last one is 97,000. So your short should be planned in between like this. Okay, your stop loss should be at anything above 97, maybe 99,000, which is good. Okay, so your stop loss should be around 6.66% average. You can have one entry here, another entry here, and this is the middle. So you plan the short and you're aiming for what? At least I would say the next support should be the next support should be the 12 hours. The next support should be the Fibo 80,000. You don't aim for 80 anymore. Or GG, or if you aim like this. 63. Okay. This is a very long trade. This is a very long trade. I'm not telling you to, okay, risking 7% of risk, but you're targeting 1 to 4.6 ratio. This is exactly what we did on last April. Those that follow me, remember, having 3 to 4 multiple entry, and we are aiming for 116,000 and we succeed. Okay, this is exactly the same trade. You can do that. Okay, but first entry, okay, second entry, okay, maybe you can diversify into 3 entry if you want it. And the last one should be 97. Okay, anything above 99, stop loss, buy. Okay, not ask you to buy. Bye bye, I say. Done, safe, complete. Is that clear? Okay, this is not a financial advice. Please don't catch me. Got it. Is that clear? Clear, then clear. Then you already know what to do in during the bear market? If you already know what to do during the bear market, type yes, let me know. Okay, some of you say that, David, I don't want to go for short. I don't want to go for futures. Can I know when is the right time to buy? Yes, 63,000 is the first time to buy. 63,000 is the first buying price. If you want to start, I would say, right, if you want to start buying, right, the best thing is about when DL or bull wave is in green color. Okay, but I don't know when is it. Okay, look at it. Okay, right now this rate, the best time to buy is when it turns green in color, or maybe when the blue line go above the red line. When the blue line go above the red line, then that's like this. Can you see this? When the blue line go above the red line, that's a good price for you to DCA. Not all in, for you to DCA. So people that say, David, I want to go for DCA, what price should I go into DCA, right? The last price, I would say the last 56,000. Oh my God. Okay, the last support is 86,000. 56,000. Oh my God. Okay, got it. Clear. 56,000 is a very good buying price. It's the best buying price. Definitely there is having a very good rebound. Okay, but I can't predict something that's so far. I can't forecast on something that's so far away. So what I can do is here. That's all. Okay. So if you want something so far away, right? Maybe it takes about 1 year. So time to time, every 2 weeks, come back to my life and just follow. Got it? Is that clear? Clear, type clear. Let me know, please. I'm not talking in front of the myself. I'm not recording videos. I'm doing my live here. So definitely lots of people listening to my live, isn't it? So for Discord students, sorry, I can't say I can't do much because I can't log into Discord. Okay. So guys, are you having any issues? Let me know. Are you having any issues? Like for example, if you are saying that David, how to say, if you're having spot right now, what should you do? Or maybe you already have a short, what should you do? Or you already have a long trade, what should you do? Let me know. I try my best. Okay? I don't gamble. Please don't gamble. Ethereum, let's see. We just go to Ethereum. Okay. 3950 above safe, 399 below run. Okay lah. This is already proven. Okay? This one we saved last time, right? 3900. Oh, GG. Here, anything below 3900, October onwards, die. Here, die. Okay? Here, can you see? 31% of profit, man. It's a so good profit. Damn. What waste, man. Okay, first Fibonacci's, first thing. 2745 touch already. Mission completed. So right now, that's why Fibo, at the same time, Ethereum is going to have a first rebound. First rebound to the price of rejection is on the 3256. The first rejection is on 3256. Okay? Is that clear? So if you want to short, right, you short when it's about 32 below here. But few entry, because sometimes Ethereum, right, they are having some kind of like additional. The second 3627. I don't think you can hit back 3627. Right. Okay. So that is what I can see right now. This one. Go for short, can, no problem. Safe. My last is 63k, nice. Not so fast, not so fast. Maybe like few months later. Okay. So I'm foreseeing something that in few months I'm not telling you in short whiles. If you say that you want to aim for something short, right? Yeah, 3-2 is for you to short. Okay. 3-2 is for you to short. But if you based on Bitcoin itself, right? Got chance, maybe if these few days, right, got chance to pump up to 93. Okay, 93. But please, please. Wait, sorry, 88, 88, 88. The first one is 88, right? I remember. 88. The first one is 88. Okay, it is going to pump up to 88 first. So if you want to go for short, you can go for 88 short. You take a profit first, no problem. So if you're asking me, David, Kingman, you need to let me know if I'm holding short, what price do you short? Okay. Oh, thanks, Malasawi, for this. Okay. Yep. So, guys, when every time, that day, right, I shares to other students is about, when you're making profit, you want to make profit in cryptos, you want to make profit in investments, right? It is not about you need to remember, it is not about trading. It is about the system itself. Okay, when everything I brought it out to you, okay, for example, I give you the price, everything, right? I give you the price where you take entry, every one of you follow me, you know that the price I given you, it goes up and down, where you stop loss, where you take profit, everything you knew it. But the problem that you need to combine with the system. The system that I brought it out is like this. You want to make profit, you want to have a good result, right? It comes with three different ideas. Okay, three different scenario. The first scenario is about when you have a very good entry price, you need to ask yourself that how can you control your mindset and not take profit first? Or how do you control your mindset that you need to add in more orders? Or how do you control your mindset that you won't need to hold until 63,000? That is a very important part that you need to go through. That's one that's one thing. That's why is it is a system that you need to combine three things: your mindset and your portfolio management, your capital management. I can tell you that last few years, right? I always ask people to buy Bitcoin. But during this year, I stopped asking people to buy Bitcoin. You know why? It's not because Bitcoin it's already very expensive. It is because Bitcoin, if you buy it because of my price, how much you gonna buy? Maybe you put in like 5%, 10%, right? You make not much profit. Basically, if you go 100K, you put in like 10K. Okay, Bitcoin go up 50%, you make 50K, 5K. You make not much difference. You wouldn't thank me because of that 5K. So that's why you need to have a right portfolio management. Like how much you put in 100K, you need to put in like first 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K. Then your biggest loss maybe 10K. You need to have some kind of management itself so that it combine together. When the price pumps up to 50K, come on, man, that time you make 30 to 40,000. That is more interesting, and that will end up with a better result. That's why a lot of times, right, people don't make money because it's not because in they're not good in uh, giving prizes or taking prizes or maybe expecting the market movement. They are very good. How many of you got the intakes like this? You are very good in predict market. You are very good in uh, knowing that the price movement. You know where it will go. You knowing that when it comes down, when it goes up. How many of you got this type of idea? If you got this type of thinking, you are very good in it. Type yes, let me know. But you can't make money is because of what? Because when you really put in the money and buy it in, right, you become very FOMO. You become very FUD because what? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You keep on doubting yourself. That ends up you don't make a single cent, or maybe you lose more money. That's why when why is it last time we do in the class is because we need a step by step to show it to you. Is about you need a system that is what helps you to make. But of course, I'm no longer. I didn't teach much really. I'm just for. This is not a financial advice. Let's repeat it again, and also, um, you need to figure out the system itself first. Okay, it is not about the price. It is about how much you put it in. It's about your portfolio management and you control your how do you control your capital on hand. Great. Is that clear? Clear, type clear. Let me know. So today mini sections is gonna end here soon. So hope that the Bitcoin goes up to 88,000, then only come down. So from there, if you want to go for short, I don't mind you go for short. But remember, I said lots of time, trend is king. So when the price goes down, short, then you short. You don't keep on going for long, but going against the trend. When you go against the trend, right, it is very painful experience. You're gonna lose a lot of money. Okay, please don't fight back and don't keep on pumping more money to save your positions, please. I saw during the bear market or during the bull market, a lot of people like to really, really put in a lot of money to save their position so that they don't lose their money. The money, the money by right need to be lost, then you just leave it. Then you can earn back later on. But if you keep on using more money to save that position, it's enough you're going to lose more money. Hope you understand this. Good. So thank you so much for today, and that's the live for today. Good night, everyone. And the next live will be like on next 2 weeks already. So if any questions, you can just leave it down to the live itself. I'll try my best to answer. Have a nice day. Enjoy the holiday season. Yeah, right now it's holiday season, right? So, ciao.